Hey guys, it's me, Furby Rocker, back at it again with another Furby unboxing video. Now, today I will be unboxing my Greek Furby Baby, and this was the Furby that I thought would arrive when Buster arrived, but no, they decided to arrive today, and yeah, so I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So I have a razor, a speaker because they are mute, and I want to see if I can make some basic connection with the, I don't know, like speaker points. Four double A's and a screwdriver. Anyways, so with that done, let's begin the unboxing. So I'm gonna cut here. Oh, using a razor is way more easy than scissors, but of course they are a bit more dangerous than scissors. Though my scissors are pretty dull, so I kind of got tired of using those, not gonna lie. This is going pretty quickly. Okay, so got the box opened. So a lot of bubble wrap. Oh, I see them. Oh, they're a baby pink Furby baby, I think. Okay, that's a lot of those like little things. Here they are. I told the seller to close the eyes just so that the eyelashes don't become all like screwed up in shipping. And they kindly did that. Oh, they taped they taped them really well. They smell kind of funky. They smell kind of like soap or something. Oh, they feel really clean. Here's the tag. The tag unfortunately like clipped off, but it is in Greek. Now my phone camera probably, yeah, there we go. It's in Greek. Their tag feels kind of more sturdier, if that makes any sense. Yeah, they smell kind of funky. They smell really funny. I don't know what's up with that. They smell kind of like soap? I don't know. They are a WT Furby. They have blue eyes. Oh, there's like a piece of the eyelash stuck in the eyelid, so I'm just gonna, yeah, there we go. I kind of hate it when they get like stuck in the eyelid, so I try and usually have it all out. Anyway, so let's open them. Again, the seller said that they were mute. I think they sent me a video and it was mute. So, you know, if it's mute, I won't be surprised. It's kind of weird holding a Furby baby because I haven't had one and I haven't touched a new one in a while. Why isn't the battery compartment? Oh, there we go. It was just a little shut. Okay, so let's see the batteries. I apologize for it being kind of blurry. Oh. Okay, well they work motor-wise. So so everything works, minus the fact that they're mute. Tilt sensor works and everything. Huh. Funky little man. I really like them. Okay, hold up. I'm not gonna tinker with the screw because I don't know how weird it is. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing. It's shorter than the, I think, Busters. I think it's shorter at least. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll have to test them out with the speaker because I don't really want to skin them on camera because that's gonna take me way too long. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching the unboxing of this lad. I'll do a update on them eventually. And yeah, so thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.